Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and good morning, Ripple community. It's good to have you all back here. Welcome to a new video on my current thoughts about Ripple, about XRP. Going into next week. Next week is most likely going to be a relatively volatile week again. Which, you know, last week it started off very volatile, but last week was actually pretty quiet. But we're expecting quite a lot of fundamental news to hit the markets next week with new tariffs, most likely, or at least some sort of a development on the tariffs situation. And then outside of that, we have quite a lot of economic data as well, which I know it's very boring. I would much rather see news regarding Ripple. And who knows, we might also get that. I mean, at some point of time, we're obviously going to get news about the Ripple SEC case. Now, very often you actually do see some sort of front running going on, all right? So that you already see some activity in the markets that you think, what's going on here? But before we actually get some news regarding Ripple and the SEC, I still remember back in the summer that was the case, back in 2023 that was the case. So trust me, you will see some activity. For now, that activity is not here yet, right? The open interest, which you can see down here, is practically flat. It's basically at the same level as where we dropped down last week Monday, which is neither bullish nor bearish. It's neutral. And the volume is down to $3.94 billion. That's in line with the markets, all right? So the volume across the markets has dropped down a lot. So what that means, and that's also what I told you in my Bitcoin video, is that short-term volatility is to be expected. It's the most likely it's been in the last 2-3 months, I'd say. Well, not 2-3 months, but let's say 2 months. So be aware of that. And then this weekend, we actually did get some bullish momentum here. I mean, you can see that XRP from the bottom on Saturday here has gone up a total of 6.6%. That's nice, and we also spoke about that's a possibility. But like I said, I mean, if you look at the structure for XRP right now, if we would really want to get a bullish structure, we need to break above 2.52 at least, all right, and preferably even higher at around 2.6. And what you see right now is, yes, there is some recovery, but it's mostly just following Bitcoin right here. I'm not sure how XRP BTC is looking. XRP BTC is going up slightly, so XRP is recovering a bit more than Bitcoin. But the problem is that, yeah, these are nice moves, but first of all, we have not broken above any significant resistance level. And then second of all of these bullish moves were mostly when the volume was dropping down. And you'd like to see moves with volume to actually get some certainty, and that was not the case with XRP. So unfortunately, I still have to tell you that I think it's most likely that we're going to be respecting this resistance, and that will still drop down into that level, let's say around 2.1, right? I mean, it's a big area between 2.2 and $2. That is still most likely, and then there I do think we'll be able to find support and move back up to the top of the range. So short term I am bearish on XRP. Long term I'm definitely not, and like I said, I mean, if that Ripple SEC case actually does get some more news, we'll break out immediately, and there will be a massive opportunity. So don't worry too much about that. And I mean, it's always like, this is crypto, right? And this is the situation right now. If we actually do get some sort of news on crypto, could be in general as well, XRP can still break out, right? I would still argue that XRP is one of the best altcoins in the markets right now, right? You can go over all the altcoins, check which ones are still at the same prices they were at the 2nd of December, all right? And it will be a very short list. XRP is on that list, all right? I know the XRP community, I know how strong they are. I think it's a matter of time before XRP actually turns bullish again, but you should not front run it. You should be patient, wait for actual bullish confirmation technically, then we'll jump in. And like I said, if we actually do get some sort of new news, which is, I know it's a little bit double to say new news, but if we get that, then we can break out. But I'll be the first to tell you, or at least I'll try to be the first to tell you, for now, this is still most likely, right? So thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.